नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजय जाटोलिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today we will discuss about MCH, maternal and health, child health care. Maternal and child health services (MCH), curative, preventive, and social aspect of OPS, pedia, family welfare, nutrition, child development, family education. Objectives: reduce the morbidity and mortality rates of mothers and children. Promotion of reproductive health, promotion of physical and psychological development of child. Components: maternal health, family planning, child health, school health, handicapped children, daycare. Indicators of MCH care: mortality, maternal mortality, infant mortality, morbidity, growth and development, maternal mortality rate, deaths of women while pregnant or within 42 days after termination of pregnancy. Irrespective of duration and site of pregnancy from any cause related to or are aggravated by the pregnancy or its management, but not from accidental or incidental cause. मोर्टिलिटी जो रेट है वो तब काउंट होती है जब कोई फीमेल होती है वो प्रेग्नेंट हो और विद इन 42 डेज आफ्टर टर्मिनेशन. प्रेगनेंसी का जो टर्मिनेशन है उसमें 42 डेज हो जाए तब जाके उसको मोर्टिलिटी रेट में लेंगे. और इसमें भी कब लेंगे? जब इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ ड्यूरेशन एंड साइट्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी फ्रॉम एनी कोज, उसमें कोई भी कोज वो रिलेटेड टू और एग्रावेटेड बाय द प्रेगनेंसी और इट्स मैनेजमेंट. बट इसमें यह शर्त है कि जो प्रेगनेंसी है उसमें ये कॉज नहीं होना चाहिए, बट नॉट फ्रॉम एक्सीडेंट होना चाहिए और इंसिडेंटल कॉज नहीं होना चाहिए. मेटरनल मोर्टलिटी प्रिवेंशन मेजर्स. अब क्या क्या मेजर्स है प्रिवेंशन के? अर्ली रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, सबसे पहले जो रजिस्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए उसका. 3 एंटीनेटल चेकअप होने चाहिए. टिटेनस इम्यूनाइजेशन, IFA सप्लीमेंट्स, आयरन, फोलिक एसिड. Fortified food, prevention of complication, treatment of infection, training to die, clean delivery practices, 5 clean, prevention of infection and hemorrhages, institutional deliveries, promotion of family planning, health education, mortality evaluation, infant mortality, causes, antenatal, maternal diseases, hypertension, diabetes, CVD, TB, anemia, toxemia of pregnant women, malnutrition, pelvic diseases like tumors, myomas, etc. Antenatal defect, blood incompatibility, APH, antepartum hemorrhage, preeclampsia, advanced age, इंटरनेटल के अंदर बर्थ इंजरीज, अस्पेक्सिया, प्रोलॉन्ग्ड लेबर, ऑब्स्टेट्रिक कॉम्प्लिकेशन. पोस्टनेटल के अंदर प्रीमेच्योरिटी, respiratory distress syndrome, respiratory infection, congenital anomalies, multiple pregnancy, social causes, low socioeconomic status, illiteracy, high parity, smoking, tobacco, etc. Unknown causes, infant mortality rate, perinatal, neonatal, post-neonatal, infant 1 to 4 years, under 5 years, child survival rate, perinatal 28 weeks to 7 days after birth. Neonatal birth to 28 days. Sorry. Post neonatal 28 days to 1 year. Child survival index, child survival rate per thousand births is calculated by subtracting under 5 MR from 1000 and dividing by 140. Shows the percentage of those who survived to the age of 5 years. यहाँ पे MR है maternal mortality rate. Sorry, MR मतलब medical representative. Infant mortality prevention measures, prenatal nutrition, growth monitoring, ORS, breastfeeding, immunization, fertility control, female literacy, feeding, provision of primary health care, sanitation, socio-economic development, sanitation, socio-economic development, दो बार आ गया socio-economic development. Child health problems, low birth weight, malnutrition, infections, parasitosis, accidents, poisoning, behavioral problems, others, environmental, socio-economic, maternal health, etc. National Policy for Children. Policy of the state to provide adequate services to children both before and after birth through the period of growth to ensure their physical, mental, and social development. It includes care in illness, preventive care, growth monitoring, family planning, health education, school health programs. School health services is an economical and powerful means of raising community health. Health problems, malnutrition, infectious diseases, intestinal parasites, diseases of skin, eyes and ear, dental caries, objectives, promotion of positive health, prevention of diseases, early diagnosis, treatment and follow-up of defect, health conscience, healthy environment, aspect of school health services, health appraisal, pre-medical measures and follow-up, prevention of communicable diseases, helpful school environment, nutrition services, first aid and emergency, mental health, dental health, eye health, education of handicapped, health education and maintenance of health records, health appraisal, cover students, teachers, and personnel. It includes periodic medical examination, daily morning inspection for skin rashes, flushed face, fever, cold, and coryza, body hack, etc. Three medical measures and follow-up. Treatment and follow-up of the identified cases. Prevention of communicable diseases. Proper immunization and maintenance of the records of immunization. Healthy school environment. Location away from site, free from structure, number of floors, furniture for all age groups, doors and windows, color and lighting, water supply and eating facilities, lavatory, nutritional services, midday meal, additional nutritional supplementation, specific protection, first aid and emergency services, knowledge about first aid, mental health, juvenile delinquency, drug abuse, maladjustment, dental and eye health, early detection and treatment, health education regarding personal hygiene, environment health, involvement in family life, human reproduction, education to handicapped to reach maximum potential. School health records, basic information, past history, findings from medical examination, diagnostic test, treatment provided. Handicapped children, reduction on person's capacity to fulfill a social role as a consequence of an inappropriate impairment, inadequate training for the role, or other circumstances. जीरियाट्रिक्स जीरियाट्रिक्स अपन ने जीरियाट्रिक्स का सेपरेट टॉपिक पढ़ लिया तो एमसीएच में बस इतना ही दिस जीडी दिस डिजिटल सेशन पावर्ड बाय डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0 ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.